Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to use the Rythm on Discord. The Rythm lets us play music in our server, queue songs, and create a fun listening experience for everyone. We will walk you through how to add and use it on your server. Now let's get started. On your desktop dashboard, to connect the Rythm, we will open a new tab. In the new tab, we just need to type Rythm Discord. Once the results appear, we will select top.gg to add the Rythm. After we click that, we will be taken to a new page. Here, we can see the word invite. We just need to click invite. Now, we choose the server where we want to connect the Rythm. Here, we are using our own server. We just need to connect. Then, click authorize. Once we are on the next page, we just need to complete the verification. As we can see, it is now successful. Now, we go back to our server and the Rythm is now connected. Next, we click to get started. Here, we can see that we can play songs and add them easily. To play a song, we just need to click play and enter the song title we want. For example, let's search for Low Fuel. The bot will search for it. Once it's done, we can see that the song is now playing on our Discord. That's it. We have successfully set up and used the Rythm on Discord. Now, we can play music and enjoy a fun experience with our server members.